Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of updates on the application of Flow. You will go to settings. Here we'll enter to the apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Flow. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.